supermarkets are gouging people. They must be forced to publish their profit margins. I have the humble snack bar in my hand here, has doubled in price. You used to be able to get 12 of those a decade ago for €1. It's €5 now for 12 of them. And it's not the farmers in Africa who grow the cocoa that are benefiting from this. Supermarkets should have to tell people if they are paying more for less. Tesco and their club card prices, a scam. Dunn's and their vouchers, another scam. What I would say to these supermarkets is, forget about these vouchers and drop your prices. People are going around supermarkets around this country like Egypts, basically, trying to buy X amount of things to get a fiver or a tenner off the shopping, or buying particular products and scanning the app so the price will drop. They're causing people to waste money. I mean, this is absolutely insane. Supermarkets here are charging double UK prices. It's about time that government implemented our bill and reined these cowboys in.